The Generac 4500 starting watt portable gas generator is a robust and versatile power solution, ideal for home backup during outages or for powering recreational vehicles, RVs, during trips into the great outdoors. This generator strikes a commendable balance between power, portability, and user-friendliness, making it a preferred choice for many homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of this generator is its impressive starting wattage of 4,500 watts, which is more than sufficient for powering essential home appliances during emergencies, such as refrigerators, lights, and electronic devices. Its running wattage of 3,600 watts means it can sustain power for a decent duration, allowing users to keep numerous devices operational without interruption. Designed with user convenience in mind, the Generac generator comes equipped with a reliable 224 cubic centimeters OHV engine, known for its durability and longevity. The engine starts easily with a simple pull, thanks to its ergonomic recoil start. The generator also features a low-oil shutdown mechanism, which automatically turns off the engine to prevent damage, providing peace of mind during extended use. Portability is a significant aspect of this generator, with a compact design and integrated wheels, making it easy to transport to various locations. Weighing around 104 pounds, it is manageable for most users, and the built-in handle provides an additional grip for moving it around. This feature is particularly handy for RV owners who need a dependable power source while camping or tailgating. The Generac generator is equipped with a 3-gallon fuel tank, which supports a runtime of approximately 10.75 hours at 25% load, offering impressive endurance for a portable generator. This extended period of operation minimizes the hassle of frequent refueling, making it ideal for overnight camping trips or lengthy power outages at home. The generator operates on gasoline, which is widely available, ensuring that users can easily find fuel when needed. Safety is a priority with the Generac portable generator, which includes features like a circuit breaker to prevent overloads and a spark arrestor, making it safer for both indoor and outdoor use. Additionally, the generator is designed to operate quietly, producing a noise level that is manageable and won't disrupt your environment, a significant consideration for anyone using it in a residential area or at a campsite. One of the most user-friendly aspects of the Generac generator is its control panel, which features multiple outlets, including two 120V household outlets, a 12V DC outlet for battery charging, and a 120V twist-lock outlet. This variety ensures compatibility with a range of devices and appliances, making it versatile enough for various applications. The addition of an easy-to-read fuel gauge allows users to monitor remaining fuel levels at a glance, further enhancing operational ease. However, like any product, the Generac 4500 starting watt portable gas generator is not without its downsides. Some users have reported that the generator can be somewhat loud, especially at higher loads. While it is quieter than some competitors, for those who prioritize ultra-quiet operation, it may not be the best choice. Additionally, while the assembly is relatively straightforward, some users may find the initial setup a bit cumbersome due to the number of components included. In terms of pricing, the Generac generator is competitively positioned within the market. It delivers excellent value considering its power output, reliability, and brand reputation. Generac is a well-established name in the generator industry, known for the quality and durability of its products, which adds to the confidence many consumers have when purchasing this generator. In conclusion, the Generac 4500 starting watt portable gas generator is an exceptional choice for those in need of reliable power for home backup or on-the-go activities like camping. Its powerful output, portability, and user-friendly features make it a standout product. While it may have minor drawbacks like noise levels and initial setup effort, its overall performance, fuel efficiency, and safety features far outweigh these concerns. Whether you're preparing for a power outage or heading out on an RV adventure, this generator provides the